Hello. Great work on the phone so far. We are doing wonderful things here. So, I would like to give you quick training, and this will help with our conversion rates. And we'll just keep doing quick little trainings. And what this one is with pronunciation of a few different words. So, the words that we're using very often is we're a local land buyer, and also something like we're looking for vacant land. So, the pronunciation in there becomes important because a lot of these people that we're talking to, our clientele, are older, and so they don't hear great. And so there's three tips here. The first tip is just slow down the parts where you talk about we are a local land buyer and we're looking for vacant land. Just slow those down, take a little bit of time and pause. And in general, as you speak, focus on speaking more slowly. And that will help the people on the other end get the meaning and the tone of what you're saying a little bit better. So now, number two, I can specifically help you a little bit with pronouncing these words, because just these specific words have a big impact on the rest of the call. If you kind of nail these words and you do really well with them, the rest of the call will be great for you. So first is the R sound. So we're a buyer. So what, let's see. So R is like R sound. You curl your tongue to the back without touching the roof of your mouth. So you can practice with words like red or right. Red, right. And try to feel how your tongue curls back but doesn't touch the top of your mouth. The other sound is the V sound. And so V, what you do is you put your teeth on your lower lip and then you put the word out. So words like vine and very are good practice words. Vine, very. And then the last part would be the intonation or the stress, the rhythm of the sentence. So in English, not all the words are equally stressed. So we're going to be stressing words like local, land buyer, vacant land. So the linking words you can just kind of let flow a little bit more naturally, but then pause and pronounce really well the other words. So like we're can just be smooth and almost just like we are, we're. You can just kind of put that in and let that smooth, but then vacant land. So we're looking for vacant land in your area. We're local land buyers. So those are just some tips. You are doing fantastic on the phone. I appreciate all your hard work. And as we continue to develop the sales process, I will be right here with you, working, giving feedback, and thank you for your time and diligence. Before this video ends, I need to share something that's going to help you crush it. So I've made over 5 million cold calls and worked with dozens of land teams over the last year. And I cracked the code on how to hire a cold caller that'll get you 5 qualified leads a day, close $15,000 to $100,000 every single month. And I put together a complete cold caller hiring blueprint that I can show you exactly my interview questions that I use so that I can spot savages on the phone, people who actually show up and crush it. I've hired over 100 cold callers now. I know exactly what to look for. I'll also show you my quick 3-step filtering system that saved me thousands of dollars with bad hires, and all the steps from job posting through final interviews, how to pick good talent, and then the exact pay structure and the onboarding that keeps my top performers from jumping ship. And a little hint is it's not obvious and it's not what most land investors do. I've had clients who've paid over $2,500 for this info. Right now, I'm giving it away completely free. I basically know that once you see how we operate, how effective we are with cold calling, all our processes, it's likely that you'll want to partner with us and scale your land team. So click below, get instant access to my complete cold caller hiring system. And don't wait, because it's likely I won't keep this free forever. One more thing is that inside you'll also get access to my private school community where I share my entire cold calling system I'm talking battle tested scripts that we've done millions of cold calls with, my follow up process that we use to qualify leads, how I manage the cold callers so they perform, and everything that's working right now in today's land investing market. So click below, get the free guide, and then let's start scaling your land business together.